What's up guys, I'm Tati Rex, and today we're going to be changing the oil on a Honda XR650, the oil and the oil filter. I've never done it before, so I'm doing this as part of my vlog series. We're going to try it, we're going to see how it goes. If you like the video guys, don't be shy. You go ahead and you give that subscribe button a nice kiss, okay? And then you take that subscribe button on a date, you guys get married, have some kids, and then you cheat on that subscribe button with that like button. Just kidding, don't do that. Alright, now obviously when you're changing the oil on anything, you need the right tool. In here, our handy dandy tool shed, we have everything we need. Gloves. That's for draining the oil. Oil filter. Service manual. And new oil. We're going to be using 10W40. Right here. 2 US quarts. 1.9 liters, whatever. Each of these equals 1 quart. So I have plenty. So the next step was drain the oil. The manual didn't really say anything about oil changing. Maybe it's just one of those things you probably should know, but I don't really know because I don't know what I'm doing. So we're going to put the 12 on here, and we're going to drain the oil into this container. So we're going to take this bolt off here. We're going to try not to get any dirt in here, so I'm going to move that for a minute. I'm going to put that on there, and well, might help if I have my wrench the right way. Hold on. Okay, we'll just cut that part out. Future me. Loosen that puppy up. Alright. Got her loose. This is a long screw. Oh, shoot. Well, there we go, folks. This is why we put down newspaper. Oh, God, it's gross. So, I'm going to try to show you. The next thing we want to do is look for gunk in the oil. As you can see, sorry I can't adjust the focus really because I've got oily gloves on. We've got some gunk around the top there. You don't want gunk in your oil because that's disgusting. So let me take these off and I'll show you what the oil looks like. Oh God, they're so slippery now. So if we get a look at this, it looks like it's dirty. Doesn't look awful though. I don't think that's terrible. That is a big piece. We're going to switch over to our 9/16 here. I mean our 5/16. My bad. And we're going to go over and we're going to take that oil filter out. And I got the new one in my pocket to keep it, because you don't want the new one to get dirty or damaged. So I've been keeping it safe, keeping it clean. Yeah. Here we have it right here. I know this is going to start dripping oil, so I'm going to kind of try and bring this. That's still dripping a little bit. And I want it to get, all right, it's getting in there. We'll see how this goes. What the hell? Oh. And we've got oil. Oh, crap. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on. Come off of there. Stop! I don't want it to... No! Bolt steel is... Now it's slippery and I can't... There's oil everywhere! So now it's all in my underneath guard here. I don't want to have to take it off. It's going over there. Oh, there's so much oil under there. Can you see it? Can you see? Whatever, we're gonna take this oil filter out. So goopy, ew. Okay. Now we're gonna cut and open, so we're actually gonna go. Oh, it's so difficult. Oh my God. Perfect. I just gotta do a little ripping. Alright. So we got that out, and now we can have a look. I see some metal fragments. Oh crap. So what we got so far is a big mess. Okay, so there's a spring in here that I didn't take out before. And I'm gonna take this old cloth to get in there. Wipe down inside of there. Okay, I think we're ready. We're gonna put this little spring back in there. We have our brand new oil filter. So that's gonna just pop right in there like that. It just goes right in. It's got a hole. Oh crap, no! This thing's gonna go in there just like that. And we're lining up these two little lines right there. Made sure we cleaned up that bolt real nice. Look at that. Oh yes, so shiny. Switch to a 12 here. Put that on there. And we should be ready to put oil in it, I think. Sounds good to me. Okay, here we go. This is it. Look at that nice new oil. Oh my gosh. Alright, I put the oil in. Now we're going to take this funnel right out of there. I'm sure that's fine. Alright, and we're going to screw that back in there. Oh, and now, the best part. Clean up. Alright guys, I did it. I'm dirty, I am oily, I'm gross now. I definitely need a shower, but I did it. At least I think I did. Alright, so let's take this baby for a test drive and see how it runs. I say that is definitely a success. I'm really hot, sweaty, gross, oily. I need a shower, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna end this video here. But this was awesome. I'm thrilled. The bike runs great, and it really needed that oil change. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for joining. Don't forget, you can just give that like button a little tap if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. We're working on bikes all the time. If you have a bike, you know there's always something, one thing after the other. So let me know if you want more videos like these, and peace out, dudes.